Welcome to JH. I started taking natural Rems sea moss gummies, and they've quickly become my favorite daily supplement. The flavor is so sweet and fruity that it feels more like a snack than a vitamin, which is perfect because I usually have the memory of a goldfish when it comes to taking actual pills. Since they actually taste good, I never have to worry about forgetting them. After a couple of weeks, I noticed my energy stayed steady all day and my digestion felt way more balanced. Apparently, my gut finally decided to stop its daily protest. My skin even started looking clearer and more hydrated, which was a nice bonus for someone who usually looks like a dried-out sponge. These gummies are super easy to carry around, so they fit into a busy routine without any of the usual supplement drama. Another win is that they provide essential minerals like iodine, potassium, and magnesium in a gentle way that doesn't feel like you're swallowing a high school chemistry set. My immune system feels stronger lately, probably because I'm finally giving my body the nutrients I consistently ignore in my regular diet. Overall, it's a clean and enjoyable way to get your sea moss fix. If you want a wellness boost that doesn't taste like the bottom of the ocean, I'd highly recommend these.